Hi everyone, my name is Philip and welcome to my channel Technology Journey. Today I have for you one new Apple product. I will show you the new Apple AirTags. Let's go! Okay, let's talk about AirTags. I just order only once because I'm thinking about using this equipment because I'm thinking I'm not like other people and I don't forget my things like keys, wallet, backpacks, camera or maybe clothes. But on the other hand, I really want to try a new Apple technology because, of course, I tried another solutions and gadgets from other brands like Belkin, Tile, Tractive, and many others. And I think the Apple would be the most popular because the key message is ecosystem, iPhone, and I think very good price of this product. Okay, let's start with the box. It's very simple, very minimalistic, like from Apple, just paper box, and in the inside nothing special, just paper, warranty, safety, okay, doesn't matter. And inside here is the AirTags. Yeah, here is my. Okay, and some tutorials, paper and paper. You see, nothing special. Maybe there is one thing that's very interesting, and it's a year of this product. 1 year, 2020, and some boxes I saw with the year 2019, and yeah, I think it's interesting because 1 year of preparation, maybe, who knows, okay, but this is the box, nothing special, and yeah, this is my personal AirTags. If you want, you have to use your own emoticons or some styles, emojis, but only maximum 3 letters, 1, 2, 3. You see emojis and 1 letter, and on the other side, just Apple logo, and you see this is my AirTags. Very simple and minimalistic. After unboxing, you pair your AirTags with your iPhone and Apple ID, just put some name and that's it. Very simple, very easy, just pairing like your AirPods Max, AirPods Pro, or for example HomePod. If you want to find your items, just simply launch your Find app in your Apple devices like iPhone, Mac or iPad. And if you have a new iPhone 11 or 12 with U1 chip, you will see the navigations, like just whole map, like Apple Maps or Waze or something like that. Of course, you can use your watch, Apple Watch 6th generation with U1 chip too. There is a replaceable battery. You see, just pull side, and after that, here is it. Just classic battery from your watch. After that, 1 year for one. Okay. Maybe I try it again. Yeah, that's it. And working. You see, I hear the signal. Yeah, and it's locked. Yeah, everything is fine. And 1 year for this battery. For me, it's interesting the community finding because, for example, you went to the city and lost there some your keys or wallet with AirTags, of course. After you come back home, just activation the lost mode in your Find app on your iPhone, And after, if somebody going around your lost keys with iPhone with turn on Bluetooth, you have received the message for your iPhone about the last location. The founder, of course, see your phone number and maybe some message about the lost items, your wallet, keys, and many other items. That's working not only with your iPhone, but of course with Android, with NFC chip. And yeah, I think this is the very, very good thing because I think it's the huge chance for your lost item. It's much more bigger than with other gadgets like Tile or Belkin. Of course, the AirTags working with Bluetooth and with no GPS, no something like that, just only Bluetooth, you one chip and your iPhone with Apple ID. Of course, there are some necessary equipments like holder or strap for your AirTags, and everything you have to order or buy it in your Apple Store or Apple online store. For me, it's a very good example how to use this technology, because I think the AirTags also have a good price and you choose a package with 1 or 4 AirTags and everything is very simple and easy. Okay, and that's it, just working. This is the AirTags from Apple. If you have some comments or maybe some descriptions or questions, just write me, and see you soon and stay safe. Bye bye.